Hello kid, today we are going to learn why cleaning and decorating our home is very important. Well, you must have heard your mom telling you to keep things properly, everything in place, keep your room clean, correct? But do we do it all the time? No, because we are in a rush, so we keep things here and there and we keep it dirty as well sometimes. But do you think it's a correct thing to do? Let's see. After a whole tiring day at school, what would you like to do? Would you like to come in a clean house or in a dirty house? Which one would you like? Definitely the clean house and not the dirty house, correct? Why would you like it? Because a clean house looks very beautiful, correct? Not only that, everything is as it is in its proper place. So you can get whatever you want. Moreover, a clean house is also hygienic and good for your health as well. Well, let's see an incident about it. Well, it was the time of Onam, a festival where we celebrate a good harvest and thank God for his blessings. So in Revati's house, the Onam was celebrated in a grand way. And this year, Revati thought of cleaning and decorating her house along with her mom and Shalu Didi. So let's see what your friend Revati has done. Now, she knew her mother had told that Onam was a very big festival for them and they used to offer the greetings to their god for a very big harvest. So, Revati thought of cleaning the house along with her domestic help, that is Shalu Didi. So, what did they do? They got their brooms out and started sweeping the floors. After sweeping the floor, they got a whole lot of dust and trash, which they finally dumped into the dustbin. And then they got their mops out to mop the floor as well, so that it looks very clean. Now, after sweeping and mopping the floor, Revati's mother and Shalu Didi had gone to the market. Why? To get flowers for the Pookalam or the grand beautiful flower decoration for the Onam. So Revati thought to arrange her books by that time. So she started arranging all her books and putting them back in the shelves. And once it was done, she tried to collect old newspapers. Why? Let's find out. Well, she thought of some innovative designs. So she cut the newspapers, colored them, and finally she made a beautiful design on the wall. Now let's see, when her mother and Shalu Didi came back, they were surprised. Like, what a beautiful design it was on the wall that Revati had done. Both of them were very happy. Revati's mother told her that she had done a beautiful decoration for Onam. Now, while Shalu Didi started making the design for the Pookalam, Revati and her mother started separating the petals from different flowers. And once it was done, all three of them started putting the petals in the Pookalam to make the beautiful decoration. So, once the Pookalam was done, Revati's mother told her to gather all the remaining trash, flowers, newspapers and put it in the dustbin, which she did very nicely. And finally, Revati decided to help her mom. Do you know why? Because once everything was done, her home looked so beautiful. Don't you feel so? The Pookalam looks amazingly beautiful. Of course it is. So then Revati decided to always help her mom in cleaning and decorating the houses. So even in our festivals like the Diwali, the Eid and all other different festivals, we also decorate our houses, correct? Like we do rangolis, We always light the diyas. Even we get flower garlands to decorate the entrance or the doorway. Why is that? Because this makes our home look very beautiful. So, whenever we are celebrating our festivals, if your home is clean and decorated, it obviously portrays the joy that you feel inside. So, my dear kid, you should always remember to clean your home and decorate it as well in the festivals, so that not only you, your family can also share the happiness in a very good way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.